Nice phone.
But here, you know what? If you're like that, go. Have a good one.
Hustle me up.
It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm so tired. I'm waiting for hair and makeup to get here so we can start my cosplay for Domino for Deadpool. Side note, the hair and makeup is me! I'm doing too much. All right, let's go. For my contact wearers who like to travel, get you one. I'm gonna leave the link below. This comes in a pack of, there's like a pack of 6 of these for like $5. Please stop playing with your life right now. Got my glasses ready, but definitely get you one. Got a little contact, even a little mirror. So if you're stuck somewhere, get you one. Definitely had to get something to eat. Asked them for egg whites and they had to remind me this is Dunkin' Donuts and not the Four Seasons. Yeah, all these cars, 2 minutes away, but 20 minutes away. I guess it's on anime time. Hello and welcome to the montage of all the cosplays that I saw. It was on International Drive in 528 East. I saw this dope Boba Fett or Jango Fett. I'm so sorry. I saw this dope car that was so fire. I have a couple of people from anime on here. And then this is the front of the Orange County Convention Center. So the OCCC. It was a lot of driving, and then it also was a lot of walking. This is Wonderworks. I think I've been there before, but I wouldn't mind going back and vlogging that if you guys want to see what's inside. I don't know what animal or hybrid this is, but I want some answers answered. For the most part, this like little car show on the front I think is so dope. Like people would bring up and they had like a car show in the morning, but I was too tired. I was still doing, pre-photos for that. But that's pretty much that for the montage. So inside of the OCC, you have to do a prop check before you go inside, which I love because that guarantees my safety. They give us this cool badge that I'm going to wear with honor. And that's pretty much it. And we're able to walk in. I could definitely say it took 30 minutes to actually enter, even though the tickets were already paid for. I don't know if you guys told you, but during the panorama last year, I was sick. So I wasn't able to go. So they were able to honor the tickets. Yes, that was so fire as well. There was just so much to see. I definitely enjoyed my time, for sure. I also noticed too that crystals are really starting to become popular. I mean, I saw a lot of different crystals. That was pretty dope, as well as a lot of anime stuff, but that was so cute. But what I like is the fact that you gotta understand, like, they go and these are handmade. So this boba drink here was just so adorable, and it was actually the masks there. The masks as well are also handmade, which I think is so dope. I found Thor. I found Rogue. I was treating it like a little scavenger hunt for me. I found Wonder Woman because, I'm waiting for them. I'm scared to call me back. I found Krampus. And I also found God because I was scared. I found Vacation, Deadpool, and I also found the True King. And, of course, I found Deadpool as well on the way out. I really like the fact that every Comic-Con I go to, they always have weapons, which just confirms that, if there's a zombie apocalypse, it's on and popping. This is from the Eternals. I feel like the detail that they put into this stuff as well, that was from Black Panther. They had a couple of Infinity Stones, the ring, the necklace, as well from Dr.strange. But I could definitely say for sure, like, the weapons you could tell, like, it's actually real. Like, don't play and don't touch your stuff. But I just really like the fact that there was just so much detail that went into it. I'm a big Supernatural fan as well. They have the Sam and Dean Colt, the Angel Blade, as well as the gun, the original Batman. No, copyright. The Batman mobile. Like I said, like you could just tell they put so much work into it. And then this was another section that I guess to me this is like the social media section. Like there was like a cool mirror there that I did like a little video on. That's pretty much it. That was pretty dope. And then we have Amazon Prime here, but I think this is Mr. Roboto from South Park. But there are a lot of Ninja Blades, Sonya Blade Trinity, Marshmallow. I think I was walking behind the one who ruined our lives for Marvel, Star-Lord. Go mess yourself up. Anyways, but these are pretty dope too. Miss Chick Montage. Oh my god!
I think you're full of shit. But here, you know what? If you're like that, go. Have a good one.
Try to hustle me up.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Pikachu could never. Can you see me?
Nice phone. Can I borrow it to make a call? Do you have intergalactic calling?
Yeah, I do. I have circuits. I'm not telling you what to do with your life, but Soupa Saiyan is not the move. For some reason, there's always a line, and then they can only really fit like 10 to 20 people. I love the concept, but I just think the size just doesn't compensate for the demand. But if I can get in, I will show you guys. If not, I'm just here to tell the truth. This isn't a bad mouth anybody, but it's a really small spot, and I showed you guys the video of the line.